In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block content on YouTube. If you've ever opened YouTube and felt overwhelmed or frustrated by videos you just don't want to see, this walkthrough is for you. Maybe certain topics annoy you, maybe a creator keeps popping up that you're not interested in, or you simply want to clean up your recommendations. Using YouTube's built-in tools, you can nudge the algorithm so it shows you more of what you like and less of what you don't. First, open your browser or the YouTube app and go to your YouTube dashboard. This is basically your home page on YouTube. If you're on a computer, you can get there by going to the main YouTube website and making sure you're signed into your account. You should see a mix of recommended videos, trending content, and sometimes shorts or live streams. This dashboard is where YouTube learns what to suggest based on what you watch and what you say you're not interested in. Take a moment to scroll through your home feed. Look for the type of video or channel you'd like to block from your recommendations. It might be a specific creator, a certain topic, or a style of content you simply don't want to see. You don't have to open the video, just locate it on the page. Next, move your mouse over that video thumbnail. On the right-hand side of the video preview, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. On mobile, you'll see the same 3-dot icon next to the video title. This is the menu that lets you manage how often you see content like this. Click on the 3 dots and a small menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Not Interested. Go ahead and click Not Interested. When you do this, you're telling YouTube that you don't want to see that particular video and you want fewer videos like it. Sometimes YouTube will also offer an extra option to give feedback or say why you're not interested, such as I've already watched this or I don't like this video. And providing that extra detail can help refine your recommendations even more. You can repeat this process for any other videos or content types you don't want to see. Over time, as you keep using the Not Interested option, YouTube will adjust what it shows you on your dashboard, helping you build a home feed that feels more tailored, relevant, and enjoyable.